morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today topic is geometric progression. The geometric progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by multiplying preceding terms with a fixed number r. Except first term, the fixed number is called common ratio. Here common ratio means r is the common ratio. The general form of an GP is AR square, AR cube, so on up to AR power n minus 1, nth term, AR power n minus 1. Here the general form, here what is multiplying means r term is multiplying. AR power 1, AR power 2, AR power 3. Here r values, common ratios are multiplying. Here nth term means an is equal to AR power n minus 1. Here for example, if you find problem, find the 10th and nth term of GP. Here 5, 25, 125, so on, etc. If you find 10th and nth term of GP, here 10th term means, here if you find 10th term, first here you write n is equal to 10. Here n is equal to 10. Here the first, here this is the term 1, term 2, term 3, so on, etc. Here the first number is, the first given number is first term. Here you write a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. How to find common ratio? Pushmita, stand.
R equals to second term by first term.
R is equal to second term divided by first term. Very good, sit down. Second stand. Here R is equal to second term divided by first term. How to find second term by first term? What is second term and what is first term?
25 by 5.
That equal to second term is 25. 25 divided by 5. Here 25 divided by 5 is 5 1 is 5 is 25. Here what is the value of R? R is equal to 5. Very good, sit down. R is equal to 5. Here find the 10th term. Here what is the formula? An is equal to AR power n minus 1. Here 10th term is A10 is equal to A10 is equal to AN. The formula of AN is equal to AR power n minus 1. Here we find 10th term is A10 is equal to A. A means how much? 5. 5 into A. R power n minus 1. R means how much? 5 power n minus 1. N means 10. 10 minus 1. Here 10 minus 1 means that equal to 5 into 5 power 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 5 into 5 power 9. That equal to, here nothing is 1. 5 into 5 power 9. Here bases are equal. If the bases are equal means power will be added. That equal to 5 power 1 plus 9. That equal to 5 power 10. 5 power 10. The 10th term is 5 power 10. Here and also find the nth term. Find the nth term of GP. Here nth term is AN is equal to AR power n minus 1. Here A means how much? 5. That equal to 5 into 5 power n minus 1. N minus 1. Here we are using A power m minus n is equal to A power m divided by A power n. That equal to 5 into, you write 5 power m minus 1 is 5, A power m minus n is A power m divided by A power n. That equal to 5 power n divided by 5. Here 5 get cancelled. That equal to 5 power n. Here find the 10th and nth term. Here 10th term, how to find is n is equal to 10, a is equal to 5 and common ratio. Second term by first term. 5 1 is 5 5 is 25. Here r is equal to 5 and A10 is equal to a into a power n minus 1. R minus 1. 5 into 5 power 9. If the bases are equal, power will be added. 5 power 1 plus 9 is equal to 5 power 10. Thank you.